Equipped with an ISOC 8581A processor, using advanced CPU and GPU architecture, the data operation image processing capability is comprehensively improved, and the performance is improved by about 50% plus. The dashcam not only runs smoothly, but also handles multiple applications without stress. Separate USB flash drive. The USB interface supports inserting the U-disc and then watch the video and play the music on the screen. Download video audio to the U-disc in advance. Installation methods. 3 kinds of brackets. You can choose the one you want. Click and jump to the purchase screen of the bracket. Multifunctional and versatile situation. You can download the app and use it directly on our machine. 4 ways for sound. 1. Built-in native audio. 2. Built-in dual-channel FM transmitter. Can be connected to the original car to enjoy the original car audio quality. Only needs to be manually connected once, and then can be automatically connected. 3. O audio output. By using an O cable to connect with the vehicle's O interface, you can directly enjoy the original sound quality of the car. Low noise, high fidelity. 4. Built-in BT transmitter can connect the car Bluetooth directly. Built-in 5.1 Bluetooth connect phone with radio via Bluetooth. Support hands-free calling, listen to music, and phone book function. 0.5 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi or machina supports, connecting mobile phone hotspots and general Wi-Fi networks to obtain the internet connection. After successfully connecting the network, it can use online navigation, use Google Play, and play online music or video. 1080p rear view camera. When reversing, the system will automatically turn on the high-definition reversing camera at the rear of the car and clearly display the state of the rear of the car on the reverse screen, so that you can accurately grasp the road conditions at the rear. Wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. Connect your Android phone to the car's screen, and the screen immediately displays your Android app. It's that simple. You can tap the screen to get driving directions, send text messages, or even make phone calls. Hands-free AirPlay Miracast wireless mirroring through AirPlay and Miracast functions. You can directly cast mobile phone videos, mobile phone pictures and mobile phone music to the driving recorder. External GPS module with precise GPS technology. Track your vehicle's location and routes accurately for reliable navigation.